Hello everybody, I'm over here at my dad's place. Me and my dad built this little trailer. He took his trailer, and a little trailer, and we built a little thing to go on top. The trailer to hold uh, truck bed that me and my dad went and got down south. But we took the boards and then we did that. So we need to roll it around or something or do anything. He can move it around. See? And then he can take the little bolts out and then put the sidewalls on it and use it for something else. See, there's got the bed liner. It's a good truck bed. Solid, no rust. A couple little small dings in it, but you know, that's their old antique car. That's it. My dad's Bowen's tractor. Got it on a charger. Charging up the. Well, that's it with that. I wanted to put this on. But like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and make sure you guys share. Thank you. Bye-bye.